So now we will write a JavaScript program in order to sort the words in alphabetical order. So guys, let us move to VS Code over here, and simply I'm going to create a new file in this case under the programs folder. So as you can see, we have this sort string.js file over here. Now guys, how do we sort the string in the alphabetical order? So basically we can use the sort function in this case in order to sort all the words that are present inside the string. So guys, basically before using sort, we need to split the entire string based on the space character so that we get all the words inside the array, after which we can use the sort function, and then we can use the join function in order to convert the array of words into a string. So guys, let us see how we can do that. So basically we are going to write the function in this case, and then we will say sort string over here is the name of the function, and then we are going to provide the parameter that is str over here. Now guys, first of all we will provide this str followed by dot, and then we need to split this particular string by using the space character over here. So guys, let us say for example we have the string that is I am learning JavaScript. So guys, over here simply we are going to provide the string that is I am learning JavaScript in this case. So each and every word inside the string, that is I followed by M and then followed by learning and then we have JavaScript, will be stored inside the array when we execute this line of code, that is string followed by the dot character, and then we have the split function over here, in which case we are splitting based on the space characters over here. Now guys, after splitting we need to sort all those words, so we provide dot character followed by the sort function over here. So guys, basically this sort function will be used when we have the array of elements. In this case we are having the array of words over here, so based on the first character of each and every word, all the words will be sorted, and if the first character is same for any of the two words, then we move to the second character, and so on. The comparison is done based on the character's ASCII value. So guys, over here we provide the sort method in this case followed by dot, and then once again we need to convert the array of elements, that is array of words in this case, into a string, and then that particular string we need to return from this particular function. So guys, over here we provide dot, and then we have the function that is join in this case, which is opposite to the split function that we have used, and this join function will help us in order to convert the array of words into a string that will join all those words that are present inside the array. So guys, over here simply we provide the space character as the parameter to this join function over here. So guys, in this way we will be able to sort all the words inside the string, and then we need to return this particular value. So we can return this particular expression that we have created over here. Now guys, simply we have to provide the console.log statement, and then we will say sort string over here, and we need to pass the string. So let us say we provide the str variable name, it is equal to, and then let us say we provide this particular same string, that is I am learning JavaScript, inside the single or the double quotes over here, and simply we provide the variable that is str as the parameter to this sort string function. So guys, we should be able to get all the words sorted in the alphabetical order after executing this program. So let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal by using the node command followed by the name of the JavaScript file. So as you can see, first of all we are getting M over here followed by I, and then we have JavaScript, and then we have learning over here. If you notice, the first character of each and every word is sorted over here. We have A followed by I, then we have J, and then we have L. It is very important to note that we have provided the sorting based on the lowercase characters. Now guys, what if this particular JavaScript is having the J that is uppercase over here? So since the uppercase characters are having the lower ASCII values compared to the lowercase characters, this particular word will appear first over here if we run this code once again. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here. So as you can see, we are getting JavaScript first of all, because the ASCII value of this capital J is lower than all the lowercase characters that are present inside these words. So guys, it is very important to note that if you are providing the uppercase characters as the starting character of any of the words over here, your output string might be different over here based on what characters you provide inside your words. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about how do we reverse a string in JavaScript. So stay tuned.